So, holistic treatment is rehabilitation that's directed at the whole person. You can weave traditional rehabilitation interventions into that. For instance, a person may need help in their mobility. They may need help with their memory. They may need help dealing with their anxiety and anger, and they may need help in independent living and return to work. Those set of problems is probably best addressed holistically, all together. But the mobility problems, may need traditional physical therapy, and depression may need good old psychotherapy and an antidepressant. However, that all interacts with the goal of getting them back to work and independent living. So it's best to be working on all that at once and to have the people who are working on that kind of all on the same page. So if I want to get the person back to work and I send them to a job trial, am I going to plunge them back into a depression if things don't go well? And this is I guess at a very basic level, the concept between holistic rehabilitation is that, there may be different providers of these various services, but they're interacting in a very regular way to make sure that everything stays on track. And to some degree can assume each other's roles, So if the psychologist working on depression sees that the person isn't wearing their foot brace and it's affecting their ambulation, they know enough about what the physical therapist is doing to remind them to, get back on track. And same way, the physical therapist notices that they're starting to do some of the kind of self-talk that perpetuates depression. They can help them stop, and move on. The concept of holistic rehabilitation, to some degree, is also a whatever it takes model. So if meditation or mindfulness, Tai Chi, if this is going to make a difference for a person, this can be part of the treatment plan. And that can be highly individualized. So, a person who has a background in any of those activities before their injury, that might really be the preferred mode of treatment. If it's something familiar, and will help them manage their behavior and emotions a little more successfully.